I'm going to be sharpening the chains using my Oregon setup there. You'll see that here later in the video. This is my cleaner, my Vevor digital ultrasonic cleaner. I'm going to there's some chains already that I washed and I didn't sharpen because I wanted to get all of my chains together and do it in one action. There are other chains that I brought from the farm that need sharpening. So with that, let's take a look. This comes up with a time of 2200 seconds to clean. This is the temperature of the set temperature if you're going to run the heat, or the actual temperature. It's 14 degrees centigrade. Now I don't turn on the heat because it really doesn't matter, plus it's going to build up heat as part of the cleaning. You can see here the red solvent, and what that solvent is actually just simple diesel oil, and it has it's off-road diesel. So let me set in the chains. I think I'm going to do 2 at a time. There's 1. Okay. Here's 2, and the reason I standardize my chains is because basically they spend a lot of time in the ground. They shouldn't, but they do. And anyway, that being said, they foul pretty hard and fast. So here's the on-off switch. We're going to hit on. Now you can see it looks relatively clean because it is kind of fresh diesel fuel. See vibrating, you see some flashing, you see some bubbling oil, and you may see some dirt. It's like it's starting to get more, it's losing, it's getting more color. So that's going to be in for a while. I'm going to do 2 cycles. Sorry for the strobing, that's because of the camera. Okay, so let me cover this. And let it go. All right, this is a test. You can see I'm going to do, this is the 3rd cycle when I hit this from 2200. You may see strobing. It's at 54 but 43 because it's warmer. If you look here, you can see it is slightly darker, and the reason for that is dirt, tree bark off of the chains. So let me actually put 2 more chains in so we can see how it really cleans.